Leaders, how you doing? This is Mark Aquino. I am a systems and automation specialist at our company LEADZ, where we provide business owners like yourself the right system and automation to scale your business and take it to the next level. Now, every week we share tutorial videos to our clients and subscribers in giving them value and making sure that they are aware of the features and tools inside our all-in-one CRM. Now, for today's video, I'm going to show you another tutorial. And if you don't have any CRM yet, we offer 30-day free trial so that you can test it out and also follow through the tutorial videos that we are creating so you can do it yourself and get results as soon as possible. Hey leaders, hope you're doing awesome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your membership portal, desktop, and mobile app. This is going to be very powerful because right now your clients are accessing their courses on their browser, right? And sometimes it takes too much time to log in, to go to the right link and stuff. So once you activate your app, they have the ability to actually download an app and save that on their mobile and desktop. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. First thing is to go to your CRM and then go to sites, and under membership, go to settings. So this is where you will be turning that on. So from here you will see this option where it says app settings. So click on the app setting and then just fill out the information. What is the name of your portal? For example, let's say ours would be LEADZ University. So take note that the name is not for your actual course, but rather the name of your portal. So for example, you have different courses inside. Don't use that name because it's not going to be a great fit for the other courses. So make sure that you create a name for your whole portal. So in our example for right now, I'm calling it LEADZ University, but inside of LEADZ University we have different courses like workshop course creation, launchpad course. You don't want to use those names because this name for the app will be used for the entirety of your portal, if that makes sense. All right, short name, you can put any related name, short name that you want to use, and then the description as well, so it can have like a short description. For example, marketing, like that. And then also making sure that you are putting your app icon. So it is very important. You have two things that you need to upload the file so that it shows on your actual app. So let's use this one and then click on upload and then do it to the next one as well. You can use the same logo if you want or different ones. There you go, and upload. And once you upload your icons for the app color, you can actually choose your color palette as well. So I'm going to leave it as simple as gray so it's more clean. All right, if you have other branding, that's fine. And just make sure that you set up those three things inside app settings and click on save, and then also turn it on, enable PWA, then click on save again, and you are good to go. Now in terms of how to actually download the app, once your clients access your membership portal, they can see. Let's see, let's show you an example. Once you click on preview, for example, I am accessing my portal. I can actually see you know an option in here, somewhere here, that will allow me to actually download the app. So it's not showing right now because I didn't really log in to my portal, but that's how it will work. Once they log into their portal, they will see a pop-up here where it says install app. Same with the mobile version. So once they go to their browser, they go to the link for your portal and they log in, they will see a pop-up where it's going to say install the app to your phone. All right, so that's how easy it is. You can make an announcement to your clients that they actually can download the app for your portal. All right, awesome. If you have any questions, let us know so we can give you more clarity. And I hope you learned something today. See you on the next video.